This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Move right in. New paint throughout, new carpet and wood tile floors. Granite countertops and open floor plan. Formal dining and office or second living when you walk in, and then open to huge den with fireplace, shelving and great patio to enjoy the backyard. Fabulous king-sized owner's suite and great bathroom to start the day off right. Corner large lot that is fully fenced for the kids and pets. Upstairs huge game room with full bath and full walls. Game room can be fourth bedroom or whatever your heart decides. Community with pool, playground, pavilion, fields for sports and walk to the elementary school. Just a few miles to shopping, hospitals, Barksldale Air Force Base, Bayou and Cypress